People get this equation wrong because they just go from left to right. They solve it like this. 2 plus 2 is 4. Divide by 2 minus 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 minus this 2. And then 2 minus 2 equal to 0. You can see 0 is not the correct answer. To solve this equation correctly, we have to follow the order of operation. We use pemdas to represent the order of operation we are using today. P here stands for parentheses. You do the one in parentheses first. E here stands for exponent. The next thing is the exponent. After that, you will do multiplication and division. And finally, we are going to do the addition and subtraction. Now, looking at this equation, we can see that we have addition, division, and subtraction. So, according to PEMDAS, we are to begin with the division. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So, we have a new equation which is 2 plus the 1 minus 2. Now, the next is addition and subtraction according to PEMDAS. So we just go from left to right. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. This is the correct answer to this equation.